We talk about these data protection solutions in the market, right? You know that there are enough number of vendors over there in the market, enough number of service providers for backup solutions. And here it is, Dell EMC, who's been a leader since 1999. Basically, what we are talking about is 21 consecutive quarters of leadership in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, basically showcasing in terms of how well you have executed on the vision what you have created for yourself. So how do you see this kind of leadership, this kind of acceptance from customers? How do you see this?
Well, Sumant, yes, this is an incredible achievement. We are quite excited. We are happy to be in this position. But yes, it comes with a lot of challenges. It comes with a lot of responsibilities. Achieving this was not simple. But maintaining this and then taking it forward is definitely a lot of work to do for that. We have seen many vendors coming in and going off, but we are there. We are doing great, and we will continue doing this. We are excited about it. I will tell you there are 3 or 4 factors which account for this success. I mean, we have seen vendors coming in with fancy features and functionalities and all, but then they are not able to sustain the growth or the demand of the customers. Now, one key aspect when I look back our journey over the last 21 years is the product quality, right? Whatever be our software technology, be it Avamar or Networker or even the relatively new member in the family, PowerProtect Data Manager, we have seen very few complaints or challenges or issues or bugs from customers, right? What does it mean? It means the product, when it is released to the market, goes through rigorous quality assurance processes, quality checking processes, and the product is clean when it comes to market. Right. And that is what customer is looking at today, because they use these technologies in the enterprise, in the data centers. So they need to be very sure that the product can sustain the kind of scalability, the kind of reliability they are looking at. That is one point. Second, the product release cycle. There are many vendors out there in the market where they find it very difficult to bring in a new version of the product, right? Customers have to wait for months together to get the updates and all, and we have seen that happening in the market. But when it comes to Dell Technologies, we have an adaptive product release cycle. Every 3 to 4 months, we bring in new features and functionalities in line to the platform vendors or the application vendors, so that customers don't wait for long to acquire a new feature or functionality. Right. So that is the second benefit what we offer to the customer, and that is consistent throughout these years. The third one I will say, in today's growing data, in the data center space, it is the intelligence or the data reduction technology is what we bring in, right? We are the pioneers in that, right? When you combine PowerProtect Data Domain with Data Protection Suite of solutions, we provide by and large much better data reduction ratios compared to any other vendor in the industry, right? What it means is, in a challenging situation where the IT budgets are shrinking day by day, customers are looking at cost-effective solutions. They are looking at how to manage their limited IT budgets for so many different things. We bring in extensive storage reduction due to this reduction techniques, as well as we provide the lowest cost to protect. And the fourth, I will say, last but not the least, it is the presence, right? The global presence. What customers look at it, whoever be the vendor of choice, they are looking at sales and support at any corner of the globe, whether it is any economy for that matter, whether it is matured economy or a developing economy, they are looking for sales and support either directly or indirectly. The kind of presence we have directly as well as through our channel network, I think no one can beat us in that. So these are few factors I think deciding and then keeping us on top.